So I'm just here with Trees for Seaford, and they're planting up loads of street trees, and it's a fantastic thing they're doing here. I've come along just to make the tea, take some photos, do a little bit of pruning and gophering, but what they're doing essentially is this. Now this is a tree that's previously been planted, and you can see the ones they're doing there, slightly smaller. And they'll plant the tree as a bare root tree, so there's no soil around it. They'll plant it in using the existing soil there, so it establishes really well. They'll dig a good size hole. Now what they're doing is they're stripping off the turf, they're scanning it, and the reason they're scanning it is for services, for electric, stuff like that. And then they are digging down with special digging tools which are insulated. They're then putting the plant in, backfilling the hole, and then putting this bark chip on top, nice tree guard, and the tree guard actually goes slightly underneath as well. This looks like someone has also planted in some bulbs as well, which is fantastic. And the reason for this bark is to stop any grass or vegetation out competing with the tree for water, etc. And then what they do is they put a stake in, and the idea is the stake goes in to a certain position to do with the wind, which I'm going to put a graphic up. Tie there, and there's your tree.